Hi everyone, hope you all are good. Welcome to the English Academy. This video is all about chapter 4th of the novel The Railway Children by Edith Nesbit. Before going towards explaining you chapter 4, let me tell you that what is this story all about. Students, the novel Railway Children and the story revolves around three siblings, Roberta, Peter and Phyllis. These three siblings, along with their parents, were living a very comfortable life, the luxurious one, but suddenly something happened. Their father had to leave the house, and from now onwards, their life has been changed and it has now become uncomfortable, miserable, and less accommodated with the facilities. So this is actually a brief overview of the story, and now we are moving forward towards chapter 4 that titled as The Engine Burglar. Chapter 4 of The Railway Children by Edith Nesbit features Bobby's birthday, an angry talk with mother, an angry talk with mother, and an accidental train ride. It is titled The Engine Burglar because Bobby sneaks onto a real train engine to get a toy fix. So, it was a brief overview of this chapter. Now, we are moving forward towards understanding it in detail. Let me tell you some key points which you will come across when you will be reading the chapter by your own. So, the first point is Bobby's birthday and mother's anger. There is the birthday party. Bobby celebrates her birthday with gifts, including a special flower map of the railway. Then the second key point is the confession. The children finally tell mother that they asked the old gentleman for help and gifts when she was sick. If you remember, and if you have gone through the video about chapter 3, which named as the old gentleman, so you must know that their siblings' mother was seriously fell ill, and children were left with no option except asking for help from the old gentleman whom they wave every morning when the train passes by. So in this chapter, children finally confessed to their mother that they asked for help from that old gentleman. Then comes mother's reaction. Mother becomes very angry and cries, explaining that they must not beg or ask strangers for help with family money matters. Actually, mother did not like this act of her children, that they ask for help in terms of money and other assistance from any sort of stranger. So she did not actually appreciate their this act. Then comes the accidental adventure, the broken toy. Peter's toy steam engine is broken, so the plan Bobby goes down to the station alone to ask the train driver to fix the toy. The next point is the surprise ride. She climbs on a rail engine, but the whistle blows and the train suddenly moves forward with her still on it. Right here, she is Bobby. The train crew, the driver Bill and fireman Jim help her teach her about the train and have the toy repaired by a relative. Bobby safely returns home later with the fixed toy. Now I'm going to explain you it in detail what happened in chapter 4 of The Railway Children. Titled as The Engine Burglar, the children celebrate their mother's recovery with a thoughtful banner that prompts a heartfelt discussion about their actions. When they reveal their involvement with the old gentleman who sent a hamper during mother's illness, she reacts with surprising anger, which soon turns to tears, igniting a shared emotional experience among them. Understanding the children's intentions, she forgives them and imparts valuable lessons about kindness and discretion, reinforcing the bond between them. Students, as I told you, that it was Bobby's birthday, and they were also celebrating their mother's recovery, and at that point siblings confessed to their mother that they took help from the old gentleman. Initially mother did not appreciate their this act. She was a bit heartbroken, you can say, because they were the ones who never take any help, any sort of financial help from anyone. But now they are on that point of or that stage of their life that they had to you know uh, take this decision to ask for help from someone else. So this thing really hurts their mother. But eventually, when she realize the children's intention, because they are also very young and they had no option left, and whatever was suitable, more suitable for them according to at that time according to them, so they did the same. Eventually she forgives them. As the story unfolds, Bobby experiences her birthday, which is meticulously planned by Peter and Phyllis as a surprise. Left alone to ponder, Bobby recalls her mother's concern about expenses, leading her to seek ways to alleviate potential financial strain. This determination drives her to visit the canal, where she encounters the doctor on his dock cart. In a moment of sincerity, Bobby expresses her worries about medical costs, prompting the doctor's reassurance and pledging to assess her family. Further nurturing Bobby's strong character and hope, the adventure peaks when Bobby's curiosity gets the better of her and she stumbles into a predicament and she tries to involve herself with the passing train. Nicknamed the engine burglar for his misadventure, she finds herself in the cab of an engine where she meets a surprise but kind hearted crew. Through a mixture of fear and fascination, Bobby conveys her request to repair her beloved toy engine, showcases her boldness and innocence. The crew's humorous acceptance transforms the movement from a potential disaster into an extraordinary experience where she learns about engines firsthand. Ultimately, the day concluded joyfully as Bobby returns home, enriched by knowledge and friendships form. She astounds her siblings with tales of the repairs done on her toy engine. The chapter emphasizes themes of familiar love, innocence, and the importance of adventure and kindness, qualities that underscore the children's growth as they navigate their new life by the railway. So it was all from chapter number 4, in which we came to know that it was Bobby's birthday celebration, and also they were celebrating their mother's recovery. Then the children revealed that they took help from the old gentleman. Mother initially did not like it, but then she forgives them, but asks them not to ask for help from any stranger next time. Then what happened? Bobby was out to the doctor because she was actually concerned about the expenses that is going to be, imposed on them in order to get medical assistance. But doctor assures her that he will try his best whatever he can do for them. Then eventually her toy engine was broken. She found herself on a train. There she met new friends, and she got her toy engine fixed. Then she came back to the house and share her adventures, her new friendship with her siblings. Hopefully the chapter is clear to everyone, but still you want to ask something, you can write it down in comment section. For the explanation of chapter number 5, you need to watch the video that has already been posted on the channel. Take a very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.